Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Temu on your iPhone step by step. If you're looking for affordable deals, trending products, and discounts, Temu is a great app to check out. Temu has gained a lot of popularity for offering low prices on everything from electronics and clothing to home essentials and accessories. But if you're new to the app or having trouble installing it on your iPhone, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process in just a few simple steps. First, go to your App Store, and after that, click on the search button and search for Temu. Now, click on this one and click on the Get button and continue to download your Temu app. After that, click on Open. And then from here, you can sign up for a new account or log in if you already have a new one. And that's how you download and install Temu on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.